All glories to Srila Lokanath Maharaj on the glorious 50th anniversary of his accepting the sannyas danda from the hands of His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. I'd very much like to be with you all there. I'm not physically present. I'm there in my heart, not physically present. I'm just trying to be a little realistic, because if I go to Vrindavan at this season, practically guaranteed, I'm going to get a serious cough, which is going to go on for weeks and weeks and weeks. So please excuse me for not being present, and trust you're having an absolutely glorious and blissful celebration there. It's also the celebration of the 50th anniversary of our beloved godbrother Sridhar Maharaj accepting sannyas on the same day. I remember him saying to me about his 25th anniversary. Unfortunately, he's not present physically with us now. I know there are many of you to speak, so I'll just say a few words quickly. My first association with Lokanath Maharaj, I'm sure he doesn't remember it, was in 1976 in Vrindavan. That was the first time I'd been to India, and I went for the Mayapur Vrindavan festival and stayed on a little extra time after the Vrindavan festival. And in 1977, I came with the idea of staying, which I did more or less for the rest of my life. I was based in India. Anyway, 1976, I just remember I was sent with Lokanath Maharaj for preaching, for collection. I believe it was in Mathura. I went with him to carry his bag, and I suppose to be a white face. It's still very effective in preaching in India to have white-skinned devotees. So I was with him, and I just remember going in the rickshaw with him. In those days, rickshaw means bicycle rickshaw. In Vrindavan, Mathura, that area. And I was feeling a little nervousness to be with this sannyasi. I was 19 years old at the time, new brahmachari. Feeling nervousness, especially I had to squash up inside this rickshaw with him, and I was feeling this isn't very proper to be so close and squashing him up. But he was, of course, completely cool and not standing on any formality. Very natural. Same still today. His sannyas danda was there between the two of us. Still today, unlike many sannyasis, including myself, Lokanath Swami Maharaj likes to carry his sannyas danda around wherever he goes as far as possible. So all I remember is saying, "Can I ask you a question?" And he said, "Yeah." He was chanting with his beads, and I asked, "Are there mosquitoes in the spiritual world?" Because it was a new thing for me, being in India, to be bitten by mosquitoes all the time. I don't remember his answer. I just remember asking the question. But I remember that he didn't give very committal answers. And I was somewhat surprised, because I thought, a sannyasi must know everything about everything. Okay, that was just a very small thing. The first time. 1989, when I took sannyas, on the stage in Mayapur, now the TOVP is coming up in that area. Caitanya-caritamrta Maharaj gave me the danda, and then either just before or after receiving the danda, I had to take blessings from the sannyasis present, among whom was present Lokanath Maharaj. So I asked him for blessings, and he said, on one condition. I was surprised. He said, you have to go to Padayatra. So I did. Shortly after accepting sannyas, my first preaching engagement was in Calcutta. Then I went to join Padayatra in Nagpur on his order, or rather, that was his blessing, you could say. He sent me there. And great program. That time, Padayatra, All India Padayatra, was a huge party. And all of you are saying, no doubt, that this is one major service that Srila Lokanath Maharaj has expanded throughout the world. Padayatra, he's inspired and joined and inspired so many Padayatras all over the world, and continues to do so. And that's on Srila Prabhupada's order. So many other things he's done, but I believe he will be much remembered for this. And may there be millions of carts. I won't go on. I should do, but I simply bow down at the lotus feet of Lokanath Maharaj and all his disciples. Please serve him to the best of your ability and take advantage of his association. We Prabhupada disciples are not going to be around that much longer. So please take advantage as much as you can. Srila Lokanath Maharaj ki jai, ki jai, ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.